Sea Resources lost a floodgate. They've got a diver who came down and found the floodgate. No go? Won't fit it? Anyway, they found the floodgate. We're waiting for the some slack water. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna winch it up here. So what does it look like? Just, is it one of these three gates?
The one that's missing is 8x8 railroad tie wood.
Really?
With concrete slabs at the bottom of it, and that's a chain just like that hanging off of it. That shackle at the very bottom is sheared, literally right through here.
So the whatever it was bolted to is still there. So
yep.
We should be able to hook onto that. So that's the other one's not a tide gate. It's just a shutter. I mean, water goes through it all the time.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, actually, it goes through all of them. No, these are solid.
So at the very bottom, you know, there's a gap about like that. Water gets through.
Yeah.
They're just trying to limit the amount of water.
The backflow and going everywhere. Yeah. That shouldn't be too bad.
So yeah, that's.
They can actually run these up and down too, can't they?
Yep.
Yeah, they actually got two shackles on there. Huh.
Yeah.
I was wondering if it just over time it just wore a hole through it.
Pull up that bank.
That's okay. You want to take a look at it?
Yeah. We might have to throw another cable and roll it up too.
Is there any other holes drilled through that we could, if we need to put on something else?
We could rehook to that plug that's right there.
Or I see another option.
We have another ring on the other side.
You got a ring on that
side?
On that side. This is the top.
Let me just see if it just
This is undermined, so
let's just try it real gentle and see what happens.
Think your camera's dead.
Huh?
Think your camera's dead. It went black.
Okay. They're still recording.
Is it?
Right there.
Oh,
Stand back over there.
it should just, that bank will just peel right back.
It's good video.
Coming. You guys have blocks too? Wheel blocks?
I think he has some type of wood, yeah, for it.
Otherwise we'll be digging for some rocks.
I will hook to a chain to his forward.
Good job. That was grueling. You were fighting that current.
That was.
Yeah.
Oh my god. No, I'm actually sweating. I'm hot. I was holding on to that chain while standing on it just to.
Like this. Fucking Bronco.
I didn't know if you guys had figured it out.
Yeah, we knew what this meant. Right here.
You see my foot? Oh.
yeah. Oh, what an idiot!
He's not gonna live long.
A little bit ago, there was cars just stopping right there.
I saw that.
Really?
Yeah.
Stopped right there,
Stopped
trying
right
to
behind
watch
me when I
you.
was standing there.
Dumbasses.
Maybe they were looking behind them and saw there was no traffic.
I picked up a couple of kids last summer. They were on the bridge. They'd never seen water go underneath the bridge, is what they said. So they stopped. Someone came up 60 miles an hour, rear-ended them.
Oh, on the Astoria.
No, just right here.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Rocks down on the bottom.
Unbelievable.
Some, 18-year-old kids, first time coming down to the beach by themselves.
Well, that guy was an idiot.
think he's just trying to get it over the bank.
I think he's gonna get it like that.
And then probably hook up the other hook, probably to get something over here on the other hole.
That was.
Front end of the truck's lifting up.
Yeah, yeah. So that hook did fit in the chain.
Yeah, just I didn't realize that was on there. It would have never fit in the chain itself.
Oh, there's still a clevis.
It's
or
a
something
shackle on there or
Shackle on the
something.
end.
So yeah, just locked onto it.
That's all I could. There's
It
nothing I
works.
could do in that current. That was it.
Yeah, there isn't much to connect to on that besides that. Now, was there a
Oh,
chain
there
on the
is.
other side that just busted off when
Yeah.
that came off?
The other one's still hanging on the bridge.
There it is.
See, there is some concrete blocks for ballast.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some sites still looking right on that. Isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it. At least to drag it up there.
So that was this
Yeah.
piece was upside down in between 3 or 4 logs. I couldn't see this side. All I saw was that end sticking up over the logs.
Yeah, because this side was the side that was
Yeah.
that way because it flipped.
Yeah.
Assess it from there, and then whatever contractor is going to take it from there, to figure that out. Alex is pressuring DOT to see if they'll bring their. You got a shovel on board to knock that mud off?
Left side, George. It's this side.
Grab the shovel on it, would you? What we're gonna do now, we're gonna hook a hook over here, a hook over here, and I should be able to just pick it up and drag it out. Yep. Yeah, we can hook right in there. Is that the clevis that broke out? That's what it did.
Get a smaller shovel.
Like I said, I couldn't.
Here, go around that shackle too, see how it fits to it.
Couldn't see anything on this.
It's all easy. Yeah, Caleb. We're just getting ready to leave. What's up? Absolutely. It's going to be about 20 minutes, okay? You got it. Bye. Okay, Google.